In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record clip in ClickUp. If you've ever wanted to quickly capture your screen or a short walkthrough without leaving your workspace, ClickUp's built-in recording feature makes it simple. You don't need extra software, and your video is saved right where your work already lives, which makes sharing and referencing a breeze. First, open your ClickUp account and sign in, so you're looking at your main workspace. Take a moment to get to the page or task you want to talk through. It helps to close any unrelated tabs or windows and tidy up your desktop, so only the content you want to show ends up in the recording. This keeps your clip clear and professional. Next, look to the top right corner of the ClickUp interface. You'll see the record icon for clip there. Click it to begin. The first time you use this feature, your browser will ask for permission to access your microphone. And if you choose to include your camera as well, click Allow. Granting permission is essential. Without it, your audio or video won't be captured. After you allow access, just follow the prompts that appear on your screen. ClickUp will guide you through choosing what you want to record. You can capture your entire screen, a specific application window, or a single browser tab. Pick the option that best fits your tutorial or update. If you plan to narrate, make sure your microphone is selected and positioned so your voice comes through clearly. If you're using a webcam, frame yourself in good light and keep your background simple. When you're ready, start the recording. You may see a brief countdown before it begins. As you record, speak at a steady pace and move your cursor deliberately so viewers can follow along without confusion. Keep your focus on the key actions you want to demonstrate and avoid jumping between windows unless it's necessary for your explanation. When you're finished, stop the recording using the on-screen control. ClickUp will process and save your clip automatically. You'll see it appear in your workspace, ready to play back. From here, you can review the recording to make sure everything looks and sounds the way you expected. If anything is unclear, it's easy to redo a quick take. That's all there is to it. Open your ClickUp account, click the record icon in the top right, allow the necessary permissions, follow the prompts, and start recording. With a few clicks, you can create clear, shareable clips right inside ClickUp.